A source of sound is moving towards a stationary observer. VO is equal to 0. Observer is stationary and source is moving towards with a velocity Vs and then moves away with a velocity also Vs. By assuming that medium through which the sound wave travel is at rest, medium is at rest. So, if V is the velocity of sound and N is the frequency emitted by source, then the difference between apparent frequencies heard by observer is. Now, according to Doppler's formula, apparent frequency N dash is equal to N in bracket V plus minus Vo upon V minus plus Vs. When source is coming towards the observer, then apparent frequency N1, use upper sign, N1 is equal to N in bracket V plus Vo upon V minus Vs. Since here observer is stationary, so this is V divided by V minus Vs. So, this is equation number 1. When source is moving away from the observer, then the apparent frequency heard by observer N2 is equal to N in bracket, use lower sign. So, V minus Vo upon V plus Vs. Since observer is stationary, so this is equal to, this minus V0 will be 0. So, V upon V plus Vs, this is equation number 2. So, when source is coming towards the observer, apparent frequency is N1. When source is moving away from the observer, apparent frequency is N2. And here we have to find out the difference between the apparent frequency, means N1 minus of N2, that we want to calculate. So, N1 minus N2 from equation 1 and 2. N1, what is N1 equal to? V upon V minus Vs, and this entire bracket, it is multiplied by the actual frequency. This is multiplied by actual frequency. So, here actual frequency N is common, N into V upon V minus Vs minus of N into V upon V plus Vs, V upon V plus Vs, or that is equal to, N is taken as common. So, in bracket N and V also taken common, V is also taken as common. So, what is left in bracket? 1 upon V minus Vs, 1 upon V minus Vs minus 1 upon V plus Vs, 1 upon V plus Vs. So, therefore, N1 minus N2 is equal to, N1 minus N2 is equal to NV in bracket. See here, V minus Vs, V plus Vs, A minus B, A plus B means it is A square minus B square. So, V square minus of Vs square, and here cross multiply V plus Vs minus of V minus Vs means minus V minus of minus, it becomes plus. So, here plus V minus V get cancelled. So, the difference in apparent frequency N1 minus N2 is equal to NV in bracket Vs plus Vs, it is 2Vs divided by V square minus of Vs square. So, finally, the difference in frequency, difference between the apparent frequency heard by observer N1 minus N2 is equal to 2NV into Vs divided by V square minus of Vs square, 2NV into Vs divided by V square minus of Vs square. So, look at the option, option A, 2NV into Vs divided by V square minus Vs square. So, option A is the correct option for this question.